What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out a cabin air filter on a Chrysler 300. It's probably the same from about the 2011 up until about the 2023. All you want to do pretty much is pop your hood. If you look underneath your hood and look on your passenger side right here, you'll see this thing right here. And all you got to do is, all right, loosen this one, is these two little pieces right here. You just want to push these back. Push back, push back. I have two of them here and here. Once you do that, remove that, and you'll look inside of here, and you'll have this cover right here. You just want to lift up on it, just like that. And right inside of there, you'll have your cabin air filter. All you got to do now is just reach in there and pull it out. Pay attention to your arrow, because that shows you which way that it's supposed to face. See, it says rear of car, so make sure that arrow is facing in towards your cabin. So you want to go ahead and take your air filter out. If it's not too dirty, you may just be able to kind of clean it off a little bit on both sides and make sure it looks pretty good. And then once you get done with that, you just want to kind of, you'll see like the little slots inside of it. You just want to slide your new one in, down like that. And once you do that, take your little cover, snap it. You'll hear that snap down. Then just come right here. You want to take these little pieces up inside of there like that and kind of snap that back in there right there, and pretty much you'll be done. All right, folks, once again, this is how you will be changing out your cabin air filter on a Chrysler 300. It's probably the same from about the 2011 up until the 2023. It'll be located under your hood and on the passenger side of your vehicle towards your windshield. All right, please check out other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.